Hey guys, I am Jay Thompson. I'm a Rice Ball. Today we are going to be playing some Trials Fusion. I did not buy the whole game. I saw that it was a free demo version, and I might as well play it. Might as well put it on the channel. I very much do like Trials Fusion. I did have a friend who did buy the whole game. We had played that thing through and out, playing people's custom matches and everything. It was a very great experience, and I love this game. I wouldn't change it. The full game is very good. If you guys like what I do, go out and buy the game. It is a great game. And welcome to the future. Future. All right, let's get going. So we're gonna start riding. So we're gonna go through career mode just because yet again, guys, I don't have the the actual bot version. So we're gonna go through all the trainings, which I think there's only a couple. There's like 2, so bear with me. We're just gonna get in, play a little bit, maybe make a second video or not, depending on how you guys like it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started with this, trading. Alright, so yet again, guys, I have played this before. Well, that's not very good. That's a perfect way to start out a video. That's a checkpoint, no way. Can we just ride? Yay, can we go? Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's been a while, but it's so freaking awesome. Yay, the Roach. I didn't really use the Roach when I very first started off in this game. Let's go to the second. And we'll pick the Roach. And we're going on Turbine Terror. The TT. The TURBINTERROR. Turbine Terror. Alright, let's go. Yeehaw! Yep, we got this. You'll never forget. Yes. We're gonna be racing my good friend Potato. Oh my Lanta. We're gonna be facing my good friend Potato because why not? He's not racing me right now, but whenever you have friends on this game, their scores you can try to beat, which we are doing right now. Double flips. Oh my gosh, and we crash. Let's just try to get through this one. I'm sorry guys, I shouldn't be fooling around. It's just on Trials Fusion. If you guys have never played before, it is a very fun game that you just want to do it on, because most people cannot do it in real life, including myself. I'd love to do it in real life, but unfortunately I don't own a dirt bike, nor do I live in the country. So let's get over with this. Don't you dare. It almost fell on me. Okay, that speed. Do a nice flippity flip. Do another flippity flip. And let's get over this. That was the end. And we got a gold medal because, duh. Duh. Gold. Alright, I'll take that. Let's keep going. If I sound a little weird, guys, I do have a stuffed up nose. I'm sorry. It's just what happens when you sleep with a fan on, like I always do. Personal life information. Anyway, let's get started. Now this is new because they did update the demo version. This was definitely not when I was doing the actual game, but apparently it is now. So I am not used to this at all. So please forgive me. It has been a while. So let's see.
Attention visitors.
Oh, my Lanta. I am sorry, guys. We can do it. I believe. You just have to believe.
We are performing maintenance and would like to warn you of abruptly shifting floors.
I believed and we did it. A loop-de-loop. Oh, fudge. My controls went all whack after that last minute. Alright. So that wasn't very nice. See, but now we know what's coming up, so we can prepare for that. This is... No, not... We went farther than this. What am I thinking? Yeah, you get through here, and then there's a loop-de-loop right next. Yep. Okay. Loop-de-loop time. Going down. Here we go. Oh, fudge. Oh, you guys are probably face-palming right now. I am so sorry. Alright, let's try this again. You face-palmers, you. Having no belief in me. Can we land it? Oh my gosh, we actually landed that, and my voice just totally just squeaked. Alright, let's just get through this. Alright, up we go. Down we go. Up here. Here we go. Oh fudge, oh fudge. Okay, Potato Man, you will not win. No potato. I didn't know potatoes were so good at riding motorcycles. I underestimated potatoes. Never underestimate potatoes. No. Okay. My bad. I always forget that there's checkpoints and I keep doing it all over again. My fault. That's all my fault. Well, I think Potato won this. Because I am just not used to this. But I do like the mechanics of the game a lot better than they first were. These tracks are a lot more imagination towards them than the tracks that I very first played on with my good friend. Anyway. Alright, so let's just keep going here. Is that the end? I was at the end, are you kidding me? Alright, here we go. Oh, no! Oh my gosh. Alright, no spinnies. Wait, there was more? Are you kidding me? Wow. Oh, I just made it. Yeah, that was definitely gold. What are you talking about? Bronze. No, you guys didn't see anything? Oh. I didn't see... I saw gold. Yeah, definitely. Alright, we're going on sheer pressure. I think I've done this one before. I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, I think I'm not sure. I think so. This time we're gonna beat Potato. That's my goal. Beat Potato. Potatoes can't drive motorcycles. How's he beating me? He's got 6 skills. Oh fudge. We gotta get him. Look at him. He's smoking across the us. No, he beat us. No. We're gonna have to do that again. Potato Man, you will never beat us. You are a mere potato in everyone's imagination. Yes. But come on, we can catch up. I think he does this thing flawless. No flaws given. Alright. Slowly over that to gain more speed. Oh, yes, 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 we beat him. Yes, we did it. We did get silver, but it's okay. We beat Potato. Now we're gonna go to the second to the last one, and that will be all. I'm so sorry. We may come back, depending on how you guys like this. So, we're going to Skyscraper Stretch, I believe it was called. Alright, Potato Man, not today. Whoa. I've never done this one. This is different, very different. I like the style of this though. The retry button. Come on. Oh fudge. Oh fudge, we just made that. Just barely. Alright, so keep going. Oh fudge. Let's restart. See if I can beat him. Alright. Come on, Potato Man, you will not beat me. Ugh, the crash. This is very hard, I've never done this one before. Look at them boats. Oh fudge. Ugh. I can't make it, what the heck? I gotta get that speed. Speed is key. If you know who that is referenced by, then, I don't know. I'll give you, what do you like to say, a cookie? Okay, yes, okay, yes. Alright, we did make it. So, I think we're going to go to the last one, and then I think that will be it for today at Swamp Crash. Alright, let's do this. Me versus the potato. Come on. Well, there's still time to catch up. Potato's got the right idea on this one. Oh, fudge. Potato knows how to get through this one. I have done this one before. There we go.
All trees in the area are protected.
There you go. Go across this log. Another log. Log open. Go down this rope. Gonna go up the log. Gonna go like this. Gonna go across the log. So many logs. Okay. Fudge. There we go. Here we go. Those planes crashed. And that was it. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, punch that like button. Helps me out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We might be doing a second video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Bye!